I am going to teach you everything you need to know about growing your bookkeeping business. I'm going to teach you everything about marketing and sales for your bookkeeping business. Starting a bookkeeping business is incredibly difficult. Getting clients is the hardest part about starting and growing a successful bookkeeping business. My name is Zach Pasquarello. I started my bookkeeping business 3 years ago. I have doubled my business every year. The first year I made $70,000. The second year I made $120,000, and this year, my third year, I'm on pace to make $360,000 in my bookkeeping business. I have 49 clients. I'm making about $25,000 per month right now. I'm going to tell you exactly how I grew my bookkeeping business, and the best part is I did it all completely for free. I never paid for advertising or marketing or sales. I'm going to break it down for you in a 5-step process. The first 4 steps are all about marketing, and the last step is all about sales. Everything I do is on Facebook, but you could apply all of these principles to LinkedIn or Instagram or TikTok or any other social media platform. I love Facebook because there are a ton of business owners. It's a really popular social media platform, and it's really easy for me to use. Okay, step number 1, create content every single day. It's so simple. You just need to create social media marketing content. It's really simple, but it's actually incredibly difficult. So let me explain. If I told you to walk a mile right now, you would look at me and say, obviously that's really easy. Of course, I can go out and walk 1 mile. But if I told you to walk a mile every single day for the next 6 months, I guarantee you probably will not be able to do that, just because it's really difficult to be consistent every day and commit to a long-term goal like 6 months. That's exactly why doing marketing is so difficult for a bookkeeping business owner, because you need to be consistent every day for 6 months in order for this to work. Right now, nobody knows that you are a bookkeeping business owner if you're just getting started. So you basically need to tell the world, hey, look at me. I am a bookkeeping business owner. I'm a QuickBooks expert. I am here to help you with your bookkeeping. You need to create content that tells the world. Think of a billboard or a TV commercial. That is all advertising. You need to do the same thing, and the best news is you can do it for free on Facebook. Now, the whole point is to get your name out there, to build your reputation and build trust with prospective clients so that they learn who you are, they know that you're a bookkeeper, and then ultimately they are willing to hire you. And the best way to do that is to simply create content every day. It should be relevant somewhat to business or taxes or bookkeeping or QuickBooks or general advice on starting a business or growing a business. It should be related to business or finances or accounting some way. That way you establish yourself as a bookkeeping expert. So you want to build trust with your audience and establish yourself as a bookkeeping expert. And the best way to do that is to talk about bookkeeping every single day for a long period of time. You can just do a text post, or you could do a picture with a caption or an infographic or a flyer or a video. It doesn't matter what you do. You just need to put out something every single day. And don't worry about making it perfect. It's not going to be good or perfect when you get started. You're going to learn what works and what doesn't work. And then the next week, you're going to do more of what works and less of what doesn't work. That is just the natural progression of getting better at something. It's a lot like, imagine you wanted to learn how to play basketball, but you were too embarrassed to go to the local gym and play pickup basketball because you never played before. So you're never going to get good if you never practice, and you never want to start practicing because you're not good and you're worried about embarrassing yourself. You have to forget about embarrassing yourself. You have to forget about all of those negative thoughts, because you're never going to get good unless you start practicing. You're going to make mistakes, and that's okay. That is all a natural process of learning what works with anything, not just marketing. Step number 2, you need to find your prospective clients. On Facebook, the best place to find prospective clients is in Facebook groups. I recommend choose Facebook groups that are local to your geographical region, just because people are more likely to trust you if you live close to them. And there are plenty of fish in the sea. There are plenty of business owners in your current market right now. So you might as well focus your time and energy on the people who are physically close to you first. Whenever you're looking at Facebook groups, I recommend pick groups that have more than 5,000 members in them. Now, in order to find prospective clients, there is a special technique. Once you join these groups, you need to go to the members in the group and then scroll down to the section that has members with things in common. These are people in the group who have things in common with you, most likely mutual friends. And these are the people who you want to target because these people are more likely to accept your friend request. So step number 1, create content. Step number 2, find prospective clients, because right now, none of your Facebook friends are prospective clients. They're probably not business owners. They're probably all friends from high school or college or family members or friends in your community, which is fine. But right now, you need to find business owners. So go to these Facebook groups, find people that have things in common with you. And then whenever you sort down through that list, you can actually find business owners or entrepreneurs in that group, and they have things in common with you. Step number 3, you need to connect with your prospective clients. So you found them in Facebook groups, and then step number 3, simply connect with them. Send them a friend request. Now, I know what you're thinking, Zach, I don't know these people. I don't want to send them a friend request. You need to get over that fear, because this is exactly like going to a networking event and shaking hands with people, introducing yourself, saying, hi, my name is Zach Pasquarello. I'm a bookkeeper. Nice to meet you. So these are complete strangers, but now that you're a business owner, you need to become comfortable with introducing yourself to complete strangers. If you aren't comfortable with that, you're never going to meet new people and you're never going to find new prospective clients. If you sit around and wait all day for potential clients to reach out to you, you might be able to start a bookkeeping business, but it's going to take forever for you to grow your business if you're not actively looking for clients. Okay, step number 4, you need to engage with your community, because you just became Facebook friends with a ton of new people. These people don't know you, so now is your chance to build a relationship with them through engaging with them. And I recommend try to engage with 10 Facebook posts every single day. And you can keep it simple, keep it short, be professional. It can be as simple as one of your new Facebook friends is a business owner and they just made a post or an update on their business. All you have to do is comment on that post and say, wow, this looks awesome. Or you can say something like, hey, great job. Keep up the good work. Imagine you go to a networking event and you just got a fresh haircut. You're wearing nice clothes. You feel good. You look good. You go to this networking event, but you don't talk to anybody. You just sit in the corner. That's exactly what would happen if you create social media marketing content, if you friend request a bunch of people, but then you don't talk to anybody. The whole point of social media marketing is to build relationships with people and to build trust with potential clients. And the best way to do that is to be a normal person, be a regular person on Facebook and build genuine relationships with these other business owners. And that is so much more likely to turn into a paying client in the future. Okay, step number 5, this is the final step. This is all about sales. If you know anything about me, you know I try to keep things simple, and it's no different with sales. All I want you to do is to send a message on Facebook, but the thing here, I only want you to send a message to people who are actually your friends. If you send messages to people who are not your friends, it's likely just going to go to the spam folder. And also, you're missing the whole point of building trust and building relationships. So you actually want to wait 30 days. Wait 30 days after they accept your friend request, and then you can send them a message. And the whole point of doing this is so that they have an opportunity to see your posts every day. Maybe they have an opportunity for you to comment on their post and they start to build a relationship with you. They start to get to know you. They start to like you. They are going to be significantly more receptive to your sales pitch if you wait 30 days. And all you have to do, you can keep it super simple. You have a couple options. You can say, hey, I'm a bookkeeper. Let me know if you ever need help with your QuickBooks or bookkeeping. Or you can be a little bit less direct. You can say something like this. Hey, I'm growing my bookkeeping business. I was just wondering, do you know anybody who might need help with their bookkeeping? I would love an introduction so that I can help them. That's a lot less direct, but it still achieves the same point. You're still looking for new bookkeeping clients. So I hope this video was helpful. I try to keep it simple. I hope hope you do too. If you're trying to start and grow your bookkeeping business, just remember my simple 5-step process. First step, create social media content every day. Step number 2, find prospective clients. Step 3, connect with those prospective clients. Step 4, engage with your community. And step number 5, sales. Send a message to your new Facebook friends, but make sure you wait 30 days.